Parks here. Sleepy. He bowed and then got down, didn't he, Molly?
We got no food.
How'd you get some pizza? You what? You don't know what? Oh, look, Molly. So here at Nara Park, checking out the deers that you bow to and feed. It's very beautiful. I hate to say it, I know we are a tourist, but there's a lot of tourists here. There was a warning out today on Facebook as well, saying people are hitting the deers back if they butt them. Please don't do that. Very cute, very adorable though.
We need to get some food.
Come here, Molly.
I know, we haven't got anything.
Gonna go and, you can't bow his bow.
No.
He's so cute. Lots of these.
So yeah, so looking at Nara deers and stuff, I've given up on the DJI Osmo Nano in a bit of warm weather, and it's not even that warm. It's like 20 degrees and it overheats. It's a good quality camera, but if you're going somewhere warm, take something else. I'm currently using the Insta360 Ace Pro 2. This is a lot better. The batteries have lasted ages. And hopefully the quality and everything else, not even using the external mic. So I think the sound would be really good on this anyway, so it's got some really good mics. No different lens on this one. I didn't get a chance to buy the lenses that I wanted to do. But yeah, it's absolutely amazing. Another beautiful place in Japan. And the scenery, as always, and the people are polite and nice. Some of the tourists not so much, and I won't go into the particular nationalities, but there are some particular nationalities that need to check yourself when you're coming abroad, a place like that, and respect the locals, respect the culture and the people. They haven't, we have. So if you're coming to Japan, respect goes a long way, and they will respect you back. There was such a beautiful, nice, respectful people, very helpful, very nice and friendly. Do the same, you'll get it back in spades. Nothing else, you get good footage, right?
As soon as you got it on camera.
Yeah. Bowing all over the place. Well done.
Mr. Bowie.
Here we go.
You showing your hand? Wow, that's so bad.
He gave me a proper bow.
I did?
He gave me a proper bow. Like all the way down.
Wow. Look at that.
Yeah. Oh, there. Look at the other side. There's another one. This is where I get small steps. You're large, so you got large steps. Actually,
Through one of the temples in Nara Park, and it's huge.
it has stairs all around.
Pretty impressive.
Yeah.
Two kind of demon statues on either side. And the park keeps on going, keeps on going. Nara Park's really cool. It's not just about deer, it's got some temples here as well. Yeah. Yeah, let's do that.
And then we'll
And then they'll go, kind of go,
make our way
yeah.
back.
Yeah, but they don't know how to, like,
You just have to do that.
I think that's the trouble though, it's like they've become a bit, yeah, they're a bit like foxes, like round our way. Foxes are, yeah.
Right. Heading back now, Molly.
Yeah, let's have a quick look through